Hello everyone, Nisha this side. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am actually going to show you what's in my bag, and it's a heavy one. And in case you're wondering कि हम लोग ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, well, no reason, no point looking for one because there's none. Oh wow, there's actually heavy rain. I think it's a thunderstorm.
One eternity later.
It's still going on. Okay, I think it's settled now. Okay, so I want to talk about this bag first. This is from Berry Blush. I got it from Myntra. And a little story about this bag is that I wanted a big bag, like specifically bigger one, because my office laptop is pretty huge. This is 16-inch MacBook Pro and वो छोटे बैग्स में नहीं आ पाता है ये लैपटॉप. इट्स लाइक अकेला लैपटॉप इतना हैवी है. सो आई वांटेड टू गेट अ बैग जिसमें लैपटॉप आ जाए. सो व्हेन आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर लाइक दिस बैग, तो मैं ये स्पेसिफिकली ढूंढ रही थी कि 16 इंच का लैपटॉप आ जाए. And this was the only one I think I could find on Myntra, at least at that time. So yeah, I just got this one. There are like 3 compartments in the bag. There's one, then there's one with the chain where I actually keep my laptop, and then there's a third one. So I'll show you. So laptop I have gotten out from the middle compartment. The other thing that is usually there with me, and I always take it with me, is my iPad. Helps me with the note taking and all of that, and I do take it to office as well. So this is the second item. So yeah, this is like all I have in the middle compartment. Now I'll go to the other compartment and I'll show you what I have. So this is सूखा बेल. तो आज जब मैं ऑफिस से घर आ रही थी, तो यूजुअली लंच टाइम 1 बजे का होता है एंड घर में कुछ 6 बजे के अराउंड, 5:30 के अराउंड निकलती हूँ ऑफिस से घर के लिए. एंड वो इतना टाइम हो जाता है बीच में कि बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है ना. इफ़ आई डोंट वांट टू ईट समथिंग हैवी, जैसे समोसा और समथिंग सब मिलता है, लेकिन क्योंकि फिर मैं डिनर नहीं कर पाऊँगी. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई यूजुअली एंड अप ईटिंग. सो यार, लिटिल लेफ्ट ओवर विच इज़ देयर इन माई बैग. Okay, next item is earphones. I think there are 2-3 more pairs of earphones. Reasons actually, one I need for my laptop, like office huddle वगैरह करने के लिए, and a lot of compliance issues and also Bluetooth and all of that is not allowed. तो वो Bluetooth वाले नहीं earphones use कर सकते हैं. So I need like वो head jack वाला sort of earphones. So this is the reason why I have this one. Then I have tissue papers. God, okay. Oh, oops, tissue papers. And the reason is, I don't know, I feel like I'm allergic to any sort of cold weather. मतलब AC से मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने लग जाता है. And if I start sneezing, I don't stop. ये पहले नहीं था मेरे साथ actually. This started after college, but now this is such a problem for me कि मुझे हमेशा टिश्यू लेके रखना पड़ता है. So like I can't live without tissues. So tissues is something which is always there in my bag. Okay, next up, there's a lipstick, and this usually keeps changing. आज I'm wearing this one, that's why I have this one in my bag. This is from Maybelline. I don't know which range is this. Superstay Matte Ink. The color is 70 Amazonian, and I really love this one because it's smudge proof. कुछ नहीं होता है. मैं एक बार सुबह लगा के जाती हूँ, उसके बाद ऐसा टचअप की कुछ खास ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. But in case I just keep it with me. Okay, next up I have is a pen which I don't use. Absolutely I don't use, and I think मैंने 1-2 दिन पहले ही डाला है, thinking that I'll end up using this, but I'm sort of sure not gonna happen. Next I have is a hand cream. This is from Body Shop. I think I got it way back. मैं इसका तो एक्सपायरी भी चला गया. Need to throw it away. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Then I have mint, spray mint particularly. Once in a while I just use it. More tissue paper, another mint, just keep it with me. Next I have is this. This is a shoe fix and I keep it with me because मेरे साथ एक दो बार instances हुए हैं where the sole of my shoe just came off and then you're in a situation where you don't know what to do, where to go and all of that, so I just keep it with me, emergency purposes. Then I have band-aids. ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है but again just for emergency cases and all. I have these, क्या बोलते हैं इनको, स्टिकी नोट्स. हाँ, आई डोंट थिंक काम आते हैं, अगेन पढ़े हैं, मतलब आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई एम ऑल्सो डिस्कवरिंग राइट नाउ. इट्स, मैं इसीलिए सोच रही हूँ 2-3 दिन से मेरा बैग इतना भारी क्यों है, लाइक ऐसा ढो के ले जाना पड़ रहा है. नाउ आई नो वाई. ओके, देन देयर आर मार्कर्स. वैसे ऑफिस में होते हैं बट आई डोंट नो वाई हमारे ऑफिस के मार्कर्स, मतलब देर जस्ट देयर, काम नहीं करते हैं. तो सिर्फ मेरे लिए, मैंने अपने लिए रख रखे हैं. ओके, सो दिस, आई थिंक दिस एरिया इज एम्प्टी. नाउ आई विल गो टू द अदर वन. ओके, आई हैव माई फोन हियर. एवरीवन यूजेस फोन, nothing new. I have a wallet. This wallet, I got it from Udaipur when I was at the airport and had nothing to do and I just liked it, तो मैंने ले लिया. And I have all my cards here and some chillers. So yeah, this is it. Next I have my office का ID card, क्योंकि इसके बिना हम लंच वंच नहीं करने जा पाते हैं, तो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव दिस. ओके, दैट्स अ न्यू एडिशन टू माई बैग. दिस इज़, और ये मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे डिस्कवर किया. दिस इज़ दोज लाइक द सरफेस पे यू कैन पुट इट, सक्शन कप सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग, एंड देन इट हैज़ अ मैग्नेटिक रिंग जिस पे आप अपना फ़ोन लगा सकते हो. सो इट अलाउज़ यू टू शूट एनीवेयर. तो मैंने रिसेंटली अभी ये लिया है, मैंने घर पे ट्राई किया, उसको यूज़ किया, बट मैंने अभी तक बाहर नहीं यूज़ किया है. सो आई हैव येट टू डू दैट. सो मतलब आई लेट यू नो हाउ दिस वर्क्स. Another pair of earphones, but these are specifically for my iPhone with this particular sort of jack. Then these are my most favorite ones. These were gifted to me. These are Samsung AirPods, and literally they are the best thing, that one of the best things that I own. And if I had to just pick one thing out of all this mess, I'd probably pick this one because the quality is amazing. Like, it's just amazing. Okay, next, some random bills, irrelevant. I have a pair of झुमकी जो मैंने 1-2 दिन पहले पहने थे, and they are just in my bag. मैं उनको अपनी सही जगह पर रख दूँगी. I have, I think, another pair of earphones in it. Oh yes, see. Okay. And then I have cash. I don't think there's a need to show that. So yeah, I think now my bag is empty. That's it. I'm gonna put everything back into the bag. Only the things that are actually important this time, so that ये बहुत ज़्यादा भारी नहीं हो जाए. बहुत ज़्यादा भारी हो जाता है. So yeah, thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Also like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.